Hello PiC-TECH family, it's great to have you join this session. Today we're embarking on a journey into the world of online opportunities. We'll explore easy ways to make money right from the comfort of your home. Whether you're tech savvy or not, there are countless avenues to earn a buck or two online. From online surveys to freelancing and affiliate marketing, the internet is a goldmine waiting to be tapped. So keep your minds open and let's dive into this exciting world of online money making. To start with, one of the simplest methods to earn money online is by participating in online surveys. This is a straightforward process where you sign up on platforms such as Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars, or Survey Junkie. These platforms offer you the chance to share your opinion on a variety of topics, and in return, you get paid. The process is simple. You sign up, fill out your profile, and start receiving surveys that match your profile. The pay per survey varies, but it can range anywhere from a few cents to a few dollars. It might not seem like a lot, but over time it can add up. However, be cautious. There are many scam survey sites out there. Always look for sites with good reviews and ensure they have a clear payment policy. Avoid sites that ask for payment up front. So, with just a bit of your time, online surveys can be a great way to earn a little extra. Moving on, our next method is freelancing, a popular choice for many. Freelancing is essentially being your own boss. You offer your skills and services to clients on a project-by-project basis, rather than being tied to a single employer. You might be a writer, a designer, a developer, a translator, or have any number of other kinds of skills. The freelance world is vast and varied. You'll find a multitude of platforms online that connect freelancers with clients. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer are just a few examples. These platforms host a wide range of job categories, making it easier for you to find projects that match your skill set. Getting started is as simple as creating a profile showcasing your portfolio and bidding on projects. Remember, your profile is your first impression, so make it count. And don't get discouraged if you don't land a project right away. Persistence is key in the freelance world. With freelancing, you can turn your skills into cash right from the comfort of your home. Next up, let's talk about affiliate marketing, a method that's growing in popularity. So, what exactly is affiliate marketing? Well, it's a simple concept where you promote other people's products or services and earn a commission for every sale that comes through your referral. Getting started is quite straightforward. First, you need to join an affiliate program that suits your interests. Companies like Amazon, eBay, and ClickBank offer great programs that you can join for free. Once you're in, you pick a product to promote, get your unique affiliate link, and start sharing that link on your blog, social media, or website. The potential earnings? They can range from a few dollars to thousands, depending on the product and the commission rate. Success in affiliate marketing comes down to choosing the right products, promoting them effectively, and building trust with your audience. Remember, it's about recommending products you believe in. With affiliate marketing, you could be earning while you sleep. Finally, we've reached the end of our journey exploring easy ways to make money online. It's been quite a trip, hasn't it? Let's take a moment to look back on the ground we've covered together. We began with online surveys, an accessible and straightforward method to earn some extra cash. All it requires is a bit of your time and your honest opinions. Easy, right? Then we delved into the world of freelancing, which offers a broad spectrum of opportunities. Whether you have a knack for writing, a passion for design, or a talent for coding, there's a freelance job out there for you. It's about honing your skills, building a portfolio, and connecting with the right clients. Our journey also took us to the realm of affiliate marketing. We learned that with a little bit of strategic thinking, you could turn your blog or social media platform into a money-making machine. Promote products you believe in, provide genuine value to your audience, and reap the rewards. But remember, all these methods require research, commitment, and patience. There's no magic bullet for instant wealth. It's a process, it's a journey, and it's one that can be incredibly rewarding if you approach it with the right mindset. Remember, PiC-TECH family, the internet offers a world of opportunities. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and drop your comments below. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning.